First of all, remove all the covers from the inside, like so. As you can see, I've got my tools, that and that. Remove that from the inside. First bit of advice is just lightly jack up the car without taking the wheels off the ground. This gives you better access to the wheel arch liners later in the process. First job is to remove this inner black plastic moulding. Pop that out now. See. So you pop those out. That's it. And then okay, then that comes out.
Yeah.
So you just pull that out.
That's it.
Yeah.
The rest are done.
That's the first part removed. You will also find two 10mm nuts to remove as per video. They can be found on the inside edge of the boot lip, either side, towards the back of the car. One and next, remove both rear wheel arch liners. Here are the nut positions. And one there, and one down here. Ah, that's it. And there's one there as well. And there's another one, trim clip there. Yeah. Okay. And repeat this process on the opposite side, like so. On the opposite side, just got 4 again. One there, and one there, and one down there somewhere. So this section here has got to be removed. That section there, okay. So it's a trim fork job. Yeah. Some more up there. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, it just pops by hand. Next, remove the trims, as video, from both sides of the car over the wheel arch liner. And that one there. That one there. One, so it's that one. Pull this out there, that one, and emergency kit out of the way. Oh, I didn't know I got that. Remove that. Remove the trim from the inside of the boot on both sides of the boot. Now there is a 10mm screw right up here. See that? Up there. Oh, there it is. There is a 10mm screw just there. Remove that one there. It's a little screw there which will release this part here. Just there. Now from the inside of the boot, go back and find this nut here. Just there, that's the other one to take off. That one.
I think it's just with the...
With those, it's a good idea that was. Orange gloves.
Definite.
I like that. That's it.
Slightly, and then it will slide back. Got it?
Yeah, yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Oops.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
It's just the
It's quality.
connector for the parking sensor. Don't forget to remove the connector for the parking sensors on the right hand side of the boot. And that's it, that's the bumper removed. Hope it helped in some small way. It was a trial and error job. Now to remove the parking sensors. Sensor for a CLK A209 Mercedes at the back of the bumper. And this is how you remove the parking sensor. There's two clips, higher and lower here. So if you just gently bring this tab back, make sure that one's off as well. So bring this tab back and simply pull it out. Just gently prise it out, make sure that's out. And that's out. There's a little clip in there, you can just see it. Just gently, it's a bit fiddly, gently remove the parking sensor. Here it comes. It's just a question of just wedging that out, top and bottom, and then simply pulling it out like that. Then there's a tab here. You can do it with your hand maybe. Just see it there. Bring that tab forward and pull. There's a little tab there that holds it on, and pull it off. There's the clip there that holds the parking sensor in. You have to force that back to undo the clip, if that makes sense. Actually do with my hand. So now that's released, just there. Come out both sides, I think. So the next thing to do is pull, and there she goes. She's released. You can see that. This releases the parking sensor from that tab, so it's that tab and that tab. It's a bit fiddly, but it will come out. And there's the parking sensor. So that side there is a little bit more fiddly than that one there. That one's quite easy. That one there is quite easy because you've got this big hole here, whereas that one is behind this cowling here. So just bear that in mind. Now I don't know whether these sensors are any good. They've come off the replacement bumper. But before I put the other bumper on, I'm going to make sure that these are clean using some electrical contact cleaner. Like I say, I don't know whether these are going to work or not, but I'm going to give him every chance to work. There we go. Realign the boot again and
inside.
refit the bumper in reverse order. When refitting the bumper, make sure you don't tighten anything up. Leave everything loose until you've got it all in line.
I think there's another one in the back of there, isn't there? Reconnect the parking sensors.
It's a bit of a fiddly job to do. I managed to get the bumper on and off. The only tools I needed was a 10mm socket, a trim fork and a screwdriver, and above all, patience. Good luck and thanks for watching Iconic Brands. And please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.